Welcome to Hyatt Centric Victoria Harbour in North Point on Hong Kong Island, a hotel well worth considering for your visit to Hong Kong. The hotel is made up of 2 individual towers, with one tower featuring a rooftop pool and gym, and the other featuring the brilliant cruise bar and restaurant. We found this a little confusing initially, but once you've settled in, it becomes fairly easy to navigate the property, and doesn't take too long to get to where you're looking to go. You'll find the reception on the first floor, where we were given a North Point passport coupon brochure, which allows you to get free taster items from the local eateries. We didn't take advantage of this, but it looks like good fun, and was a really nice touch to welcome you to the area. We were really impressed with our room at the Hyatt Centric, which was on the 16th floor and felt very spacious, modern, and clean. The bed was big and comfy, and it had all the amenities we needed, including robes and slippers in the wardrobe, as well as a safe. It also comes with a kettle and lots of tea and coffee options, plus a mini fridge. We loved the flat-screen TV on the wall, and our view overlooking the harbor was stunning. The bathroom was also well-equipped and felt both modern and clean. The shower is excellent, and all soaps and shampoos and towels are provided. Overall, we'd have to give top marks for the room. The standout of the Hyatt Centric for us personally was the cruise rooftop bar, which had awesome views and was the perfect place to sit back and chill after a day exploring the city. The food here was great. We had a lovely Spanish meat platter and some other nibbles, and guests can also take advantage of a happy hour. There are plenty of other dining options at the Hyatt Centric, including the Farmhouse Buffet, which he didn't eat at but had some amazing-looking seafood, sushi, and other cuts, and even this cool ice cream station. There's also Sky Blue on the 3rd floor, and both Kijiji and Victoria Pearl on the 5th. And the Farmhouse Deli on the ground floor is where you can grab your coffee or breakfast bites before heading out. The building also has a Starbucks on the ground floor and a 7-Eleven nearby. The rooftop pool is another standout of the hotel, although the glass panels do lessen the view a little. Still, there were always plenty of beds, and it stayed open late into the night. While it can't match the views of Town Place West Kowloon's pool, check out our review on our channel. It is still a big plus to the appeal of the hotel, and we did love chilling up here. There's a well-equipped fitness center on the 23rd floor too. The Hyatt Centric's location is literally a 30-second walk from the North Point MTR, which is very well connected to the lively Causeway Bay area, as well as Central and the ferry port that takes you to Macau. North Point also has its own ding-ding stop that goes to Causeway Bay and Central. We rode that home one night, and it was good fun to get a different perspective of the city. Do note that if you want to get to Disneyland or Hong Kong Airport, then North Point is quite far away, as you have to change at Central on Hong Kong Island, and then travel north from there. Overall, we'd highly recommend the Hyatt Centric Victoria Harbour. It has a great location next to the MTR with very good rooms and a brilliant rooftop bar and restaurant. The pool is also a big selling point, and overall, we'd say the Hyatt Centric Victoria Harbour is really good value for money at around $200 per night, depending on when you book. Be sure to follow us on social media and check out our other Hong Kong videos and shorts. Thanks for watching!